Stu Beans with the Little House of Beans. And today I am going to give you a tour of the newest house in our Little House of Beans family. What you see behind me is an inflatable tent. Yes, I said inflatable. No aluminum poles, no sticks. This is an inflatable tent from, let me turn my camera around. This, my friends, is the Zempire Airforce 1 V2. Company is from New Zealand, and you cannot find, at least today, so this is November of 25, you cannot find companies in the States making inflatable tents. They're very popular overseas, in the UK, Australia, in New Zealand, and so I picked a company that has been around a long time, and I looked carefully at all the inflatable options that I had, which weren't a lot. A lot of them I can't even buy here in the States. Zempire is a company out of New Zealand where they now have a distribution center out in Seattle, so I can get my hands on a Zempire tent. This particular one is all canvas, so it's going to breathe. It's going to be cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter because canvas breathes. And over time, it will be more waterproof than the day I first bought it. And so I'm going to give you a tour. I'm going to walk around. I'll talk about some of the features I like. And then I'll give you a tour of the inside, and I'll show you how we have it set up. I'm probably going to do a later video of how we camp and how I have this dialed in. I'm probably 90% away from dialed in. So let's do a quick walk around. As you can see in the front here, this is our awning. And you can see we have tables and all that good stuff, but this is what the awning looks like. I'm going to walk back here into the midsection, or what we call the living room. And you can see I have some clear plastic there as a window. And then I have from the floor up to the plastic is all mesh. And those windows open and close from the inside. So if we get rain, I don't have to come outside to close my windows. There are guy lines all over this guy. We have very nice weather, so I do not have to use these guy lines. I didn't even stake the tent down. Actually, our campsite's on concrete, and the tent happens to be a little bit wider than the concrete. The full size of this particular tent is 11 feet wide by 21 feet long. So I have two sections here. If I back up a little bit, you see on the right hand side is what we call our living room, and then the back end, or the left side, is the bedroom. And both of those sections are about 7 by 10. Let's come around the back. There are guidelines, and there's stake spots all over the tent. This is the back of the tent right here, and you can see I have the window open. And this top part here, I could guy out if it was raining, and that would pull the rain away from the back window. And you can see the badging, Zempire Airforce Air Canvas Series V2. More guy lines come around the back. These midsections, where you see this window here, I can pull that completely out and make an awning. And this ships with poles for that awning. So this whole section will pull out if I want to make an awning. I leave it the way it is because there's so much ventilation in here that I don't need additional awnings. You'll see at the top here, these little doodads here. These are magnets, and I'm going to show you how I'm using those. Come back around. All the deflation and inflation points are on this side. So there are 4 deflation points. What I really like is there a single inflation point, which is right here. And when you buy a Zempire tent, they give you a hand pump. But I bought the Zempire 12-volt air pump. And once we get this rolled out, which takes all of 3 minutes, I hook it up to the air pump, and in 10 minutes we're completely inflated. And it's very minimal work. In those 10 minutes, I am unpacking the rest of the stuff from the car. Things like the doggy fence and our sink and our bins and so on and so forth. This is what it looks like from the front. So let's go inside and take a quick peek. There's a couple of points. There's one point in the front and one point in the back where you can take your wires. If you look down here, this is where I bring the electricity. Most of our campsites have water and electricity right there. And this is the front under the awning, and you can see it's a very, very big door. I have half the door open and tied back. The other half of that door is a mesh screen. This is what the air beams look like. So they're covered by canvas as well. Let me see if I can do a quick zip here. I can't do it with one hand, but the beams are under here, and these beams go, that's okay, Edie. These beams go all the way up, all the way down the center. So you know how when it rains and sometimes your awnings, they start to wilt because rain pulls up. This is not going to happen because of this center beam here. You can get a good look here. This is the inside of the air beam, and then it's covered by this canvas. When you see these things here, when we camp, they should be closed. So if you ever had a blowout or a leak in one of these, it would, as long as all of those are closed, you would only have a deflation point here. So these are all the air beams, and if you hear it, it is sturdy. Okay, back to the front. When you buy a Zempire, they give you the ground sheet, which is what that's sitting on. The inside, if I come over here, there's our 3-person couch, as I like to call it. It's a standard 3-person camping chair. And what we do is we put down, on the floor, we put down gym tiles, and then we cover it with these moving blankets. So it makes it pretty soft, and it feels really good to come in here barefoot. So this is the living room. This is one side of the living room. And if I come over here, you can see that there are pockets everywhere. If I come back around here, here's the other side of the living room, and that white street sheet that you see there, that's what's hanging with magnets. That's actually a 60-inch projection screen. So it's fabric, but we can sit here and watch movies on a projector. More pockets in the corner. If I back up here, that is our bedroom. When I first got the tent, this was split straight down the middle with a curtain, so you could have privacy and create 2 rooms and have privacy. I took that out because I'm married and I don't need the privacy. And then of course these will zip, and so these will zip completely closed, or I could take that whole piece out, but we leave it, and I can completely zip that closed so the bedroom is separated from the mid room. And you can see I have some fans here inside here. And again, I'll go into how I have our camping dialed in for this season. You're looking at a cot, a Teton XXL cot with a self-inflating mattress over there. And then on Edie's side, Edie has a Zempire monster bed, which I did review already, and I have slept on that thing, and it is comfortable as hell. So much better than a regular air mattress that you can buy at a Walmart. And then if we come in here, I got windows on either sides. Giant back window on the other side. Here's another entry point for power that you can see I'm using here. And then if I come all the way in the back and then turn around, this is what it looks like from the way back. Very, very comfortable. And we stayed dry in here last night. I mean, it wasn't raining, but sometimes if you camp, you get some dampness. We leave the windows open just a little bit to get some ventilation in here. and everything was nice and dry. Our sheets, our mattresses. There's our dog Chopin. And then right there, that little yellow thing is actually a tiny little heater. Right now it's the nighttime is low to mid 50s Fahrenheit, so turn that little heater on half power, and my trusty thermometer last night through sleeping said 70, and you can see here we're at about 74 degrees in the tent. No AC, no nothing. So I come back around, we come to exit. You can see my 12-volt refrigerator. Again, that's something that I'll put in a later video on the how the beans camp now in the little house of beans. But for now, I am ecstatic with our Zempire tent. I could not be happier with their products. We have a tent, we have the 12-volt pump, and we have the monster bed. And I think right now Zempire might be the best camping company on the planet, at least for the products that they make. I'm really, really happy. And this is definitely not the last Zempire product I get. And they have smaller ones that are inflatable. They have tents with different material. That's my ice machine that you hear in the background. But I think they're a great company, and I'm so happy to have this tent. I think it's absolutely outstanding. I'll put a link to their website in the video. So one last look. And they do also have sides that I can put on the awning. You can see here I have Velcro. So they sell 3 sides. I believe it's called, what's it called? Canvas light, casita light, something light, that I can buy 3 sides, and I could enclose the awning as well. You can see here the Velcro here, and the front of it, I could put another door there. So if we wanted to make the awning a living space, there is an add-on. And the back of my truck has a hitch basket, which is where we put the tent when we travel. So I'll turn around one more time. That is the Zempire Airforce 1 V2. Absolutely loving the tent so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll put any relative links in the description below. If you like the content, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. That's the best way to help our little channel. Subscribe if you want to hear more about the content. We have lots of content.
Keep watching for more Zempire series.
And I'm Stu Beans, and that was Edye, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.